3 options. Just giving you guys psychological cheat codes for life. It's a lot easier for people to make a decision if you give them 3 options than versus if you give them 1 option, that's too much pressure, or 2 options. They'll waffle between the 2. So give them 3. Sounds like this. Ed, I totally get it, right? And you like where you're at right now and you just wanted to look around. You know, the way I see it, Ed, you got 3 options. You can renew the lease where you're at right now. You don't have the pool that you wanted and you're not as close to work. You could continue to look around, schedule tours, go on apartments.com. There's that sea of green triangles. As you've probably found out, that doesn't necessarily mean there's availability there, and it takes a lot of time, not a lot of fun to schedule these tours. I get it. I know I'm fun, but hey, tours aren't fun. Or, you know, you give us a try, right? We've got this particular unit available right now. It's right in the price range that you wanted. We've got the pool that you wanted, and we're close to your work. Does it make sense to sign the lease? Yeah, it does. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm ready to move. I'm ready to get out of there. But if I just go, hey, I get it. I'll be here when you decide. Give them 3 options. It allows their brain to compartmentalize things. 3 options is always the right way to get somebody to make a decision.